Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to What's in the Shop Wednesdays. I'm Isaac, and today to start off the week, we're going to be here in our body shop. As you can see, we got a beautiful red S2000. It is going to be getting the rear quarter, door, and front bumper repainted. This car had some solvent popping as well as some paint chips. So we're going to be repainting it and bringing the paint back to life just like brand new. Here in the correction bay, we got a nice Porsche here in for a 9H coating. So to start off, we already did a 2-stage paint correction and it's getting ready for a 9H coating. If you didn't know what the 9H coating is, it basically makes the paint hydrophobic, so it makes it easier to wash and dry. We have a 2023 BMW Ipuna here. At the moment, I am currently working on the polish before we bring it over to PPF for it to get a full body satin PPF to change the whole look of this car. In case you guys didn't know, this is what satin PPF looks like. Originally, this car came into us in gloss black. Now, as you can see, it is in a satin color and is no longer gloss. And that is what the Ipuna BMW will be getting as well. Here we have a Cadillac CT6 that came into us to get a few of the window tints removed and replaced. We will be applying our ceramic tint. And if you didn't know what that is, it basically allows the tint to reject more heat than regular tint. And on top of that, we will also offer a lifetime warranty. Once the tint is finished, we'll bring it over to the polish bay to get it prepped and ready for an ultimate ion coating. If you guys are a JDM enthusiast like I am, the Honda S2000 is probably your favorite car. Make sure to check us out on Instagram and YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week.